Thank you for visiting us. Enjoy watching.
Beginner S1 number 13, a convenient way to get around Indonesia's biggest city. Grammar. The focus of this lesson is to describe consequences.
Dari Harmoni, naik busway menuju Blok M. Lalu ganti jurusan dari Dukuh Atas menuju Ragunan, dan turun di pemberhentian terakhir.
From Harmony, take the busway heading to Block M. Then transfer from the Dukuh Atas stop to Ragunan and get off at the last stop. One of the best examples of describing consequences is in giving directions. Suppose you are asked about directions to go to a place or building. The following model answer can be used in such a situation. Pertama-tama plus, verb plus complement, plus lalu/kemudian plus, verb plus complement, plus dan plus, object. First plus, verb plus complement, plus then plus, verb plus complement, plus and plus, object. For directions, we will learn some basic expressions often used in giving directions, such as
Jalan lurus.
Go straight.
Belok kanan, kiri.
Turn right, left.
Perempatan jalan.
Intersection.
Lampu lalu lintas.
Traffic light.
Putaran.
U-turn. For example,
Pertama-tama lurus sampai di perempatan jalan, lalu belok kanan, dan jalan sekitar 100 meter, kamu akan menemukan gedung teater itu di sebelah kiri jalan.
First go straight till the intersection, then turn right and walk for 100 meters. You'll find the theater building on the left of the street. Besides giving directions, consequences can also be used in describing an event or activity, for example.
Pertama-tama dia bangun tidur, lalu merapikan kamar tidur, dan mandi.
First he woke up, then he tidied up the bedroom and he took a bath. For interrogative statements, the following will describe the simple way to ask for directions.
Bagaimana cara? Destination object.
Cara literally means way, process, or method. In English sentences, it usually takes the form of a verb. For example,
Bagaimana cara ke Ragunan?
how does one go to Ragunan?
Bagaimana cara pakai mesin ini?
How does one use this machine? For formal situations, the way to ask directions could be as follows.
Permisi, di mana alamat jalan ini? Bagaimana cara ke sana?
Excuse me, where is this address located? How does one go there? You may change the object of the question depend on the destination object. For example,
Di mana alamat gedung ini?
where is this building located?
Di mana alamat kantor ini?
Where is this office located?
Di mana alamat hotel ini?
Where is this hotel located? Cultural insight. Getting around Jakarta. Transjakarta, or, as people in Jakarta call it, the busway, is a rapid transit bus system in Jakarta that first launched in 2004. The transportation system was adapted from the success of Bogota in Colombia to help reduce traffic jams, especially during rush hour. The initial route moved passengers between the main road in the north of Jakarta at Kota Station to the west part of Jakarta at Block M Station, Kota Blok M. Later on, the route gradually developed, so that now one can reach every point of Jakarta. It does not only operate in Jakarta, the bus system also connects to suburban areas near Jakarta, such as Tangerang and Bekasi, with the operation of busway feeders. To promote the use of the busway, especially for students that mostly go to school in the morning, the ticket fare in the morning, 5 to 7 a.m., is cheaper, 2,000 Indonesian rupiah, or 17 cents, than the ticket fare after 7 a.m., 3,500 Indonesian rupiah, or 30 cents.
Kosakata.
Vocabulary.
Pemberhentian.
Stop, terminal.
Ganti.
To transfer.
Terakhir.
Last.
Karyawisata.
Field trip.
Besok.
Tomorrow.
Mengamati.
To observe.
Teman sekelas.
Classmate.
Dari.
From.
Contoh kalimat.
Sample sentences.
Setelah melewati perempatan jalan, kita akan turun di pemberhentian harmoni.
After passing the intersection, we'll get off at Harmony Stop.
Karena tidak ada bus langsung ke Ragunan, sebaiknya kamu berganti bus di dukuh atas.
Because there is no direct bus to Ragunan, you should transfer at Duku Atas.
Kereta terakhir berhenti pada pukul 12 malam.
The last train stops at 12 o'clock midnight.
Kelas kami akan mengadakan karyawisata ke Museum Bahari liburan musim panas nanti.
Our class will have a field trip to the Nautical Museum in the summer holiday.
Mau kemana besok?
Where do you want to go tomorrow?
Dalam praktik biologi, para murid sedang mengamati pergerakan siput.
In biology practicum, the students are observing the movement of snails.
Anak itu bermain dengan teman sekelasnya.
The kid is playing with his classmate.
Saya dari Prancis.
I'm from France. Vocabulary phrase usage.
Dari. Dari.
Is the general word for from, as in from work.
Dari kerja.
From work.
Dari sekolah.
From school.
Dia baru pulang dari gereja.
He's just come back from church. It also has the meaning of
Manusia dari besi.
man of steel.
Mainan ini terbuat dari kayu.
The toy is made of wood. Change. Ganti can be translated as transfer in terms of transportation.
Ganti. Ganti ke jurusan Tanah Abang Kota.
Transfer to the Tanah Abang Kota line. In a more general sense, ganti also has the meaning change or transform, as in change of
Ganti pakaian.
clothes, change suits,
Ganti pemerintahan.
and change government, transform government.
Pemberhentian. Pemberhentian.
Can be translated as stop or bus stop if specifically referring to a stop for a bus. It's usually used in a sentences
Pemberhentian selanjutnya.
next stop or
Pemberhentian terakhir.
last stop. The word itself comes from the root word
Berhenti.
meaning to stop or to halt.
Percakapan.
Conversation.
Kemana kelasmu akan mengadakan karyawisata besok?
Where is your class going for the field trip tomorrow?
Kami akan mengamati pusat primata Schmutzer di Ragunan.
We're going to visit the Schmutzer Primate Center in Ragunan.
Masalahnya adalah aku tidak tahu bagaimana cara ke sana.
The problem is I don't know how to reach the place.
Kamu tidak pergi dengan teman sekelasmu?
You're not going with your classmates?
Mereka ingin pergi di siang hari, sementara aku lebih suka pergi di pagi hari.
They want to go there at noon, while I prefer to go there in the morning.
Dari Harmony, naik busway menuju Blok M.
From Harmony, take the busway heading to Block M.
Lalu ganti jurusan dari Dukuh Atas menuju Ragunan, dan turun di pemberhentian terakhir.
Then transfer from Duku Atas Terminal to Ragunan and get off at the last terminal.
Ragunan adalah pemberhentian terakhir jurusan Dukuh Atas Ragunan.
Ragunan is the last stop of the Duku Atas Ragunan route.
Tunggu sebentar, mulai dari Harmony menuju Blok M, di pemberhentian mana aku harus berganti bus?
Wait a moment, start from Harmony to Block M, and at which terminal should I transfer?
Di pemberhentian Dukuh Atas. Ganti ke jurusan Dukuh Atas Ragunan.
At Duku Atas stop. Transfer to the Duku Atas Ragunan route.
Thank you for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe to watch other videos. Thank you.